me like that? And how? How many times I called you both? So now what happened?
Nothing's happened, man.
But how you couldn't pick my call? You know I called you.
I'm very busy these days. We're trying to start a business, and I'm trying to get that going. I've been working with them. We've been going and doing site visits, and it takes time, and I just don't have time for anything else right now. Nothing personal, nothing about you. You're still my bro, man. I still love you, but you know, I got other things to do. I hope you understand. I mean,
but why you started? But this time, why are you doing like that?
I mean, you know,
I know you were busy, but how I called you? How came my call?
Sometimes I'm away from my phone. If you're
Listen,
out trying
you
to
know
check out
me.
places,
You know,
sometimes
through me, you see this family. So now, all because of this family.
No,
you try to forget me.
No,
how?
It's not like that.
Oh, it's like that. It's like that.
Yeah, my time has shifted a little bit, but it doesn't mean I have any problem with you. It's just I'm doing stuff with them now, and it takes time. So, you know, you have to understand. I mean,
why I understand you? I can't understand you. You are my best friend.
Sure, man.
You're my best friend.
And you still are.
I still am. What?
Alright. Debi o na wo pa o dey na bonso. Ah? Wo dey na how? Ade ba asam na me ka kire o. Ah? Ade ba asam na me ka kire o. Obronii. O su ye do hya wo na wo pie. Wo be tam akwa akokun. Wei, udi ni o be tam akwa akokun. Na wo na unche dem. Ah, wo pie be dey wa bonti.
You were inside. What you doing here? Huh?
I'm trying to just...
You're trying to do what?
Sisi obi kidnap you, Sisi ane ka dey.
I'm trying to answer my friend and explain to him what's going on, but he's not really trying to hear me.
You have no explanation for him, okay? And I'm commanding you to follow me right now.
Yes, please.
Funny person grab them. Funny person.
What are you standing there for?
I gotta go, man. We'll talk.
But channel funny grab them.
We'll be in touch.
Right. Sisi a wo she dem Sisi a hu dey ya up ya be na. Ah?
Whatever I say, you do it without any complaint, okay?
Yes,
Funny call. Ah? Eye na ko bi kidnap wa. Ke na ko fa problem am. Assassin you atro. Che bibi ye. Wani ya tra wani nton. Che bibi ye. What dey make atro no? Wutimi fa sa busua we me yanko a o. Me ka kira wo. Wutimi fa sa busua we e me yanko a.
George.
Na wa mo wo fa na me gina ni mu no. Me gyan pinti. Me nya kwala sa o.
George.
E na me ni da o. Me catch you. What it? George. Me na me say me your young kwan ka oba me nchen. George, say me wo fa no was e. Mama ka san che me kra no.
George, mami ka na be pede wa. Se wo ma mi nsuo se me fa ho me nsa me tumi di dware. Ma enenya wo first and last. Say wo be intervene into my private life. What the make no? Wo de Obronii ni ma mesisi mi nsisi bibia me ma wo hu. But this time around, no, it's
Pablo Chano say, yeah.
It's not and penny focus or be or your papa no when
oh, there be her. Let the cat one and still not the piano yet. Be our Obronii man back. Hey, get out. Get out. Ah, officer, say me who open no any place wa. Me ye na ni place wa jira. Piano kwa want to be na bia. Onko ka, ya bre. Uncle can you pay me uncle ye. So ti won say enti fu e be my God also still now put on your number fia.
Ade amudi Obronii di de amudi amana.
Ani e dia mama na di nso.
Ade a wo ye no wan hwe ye bia. Meka say me no
o opanat mi kasa say.
Litimi kasa say me nunu bia me die. E me de e wo manum. E si kire egu me si aso mi di. Etimi ma me di nchire.
Na mankwatia. Ni ona wa video.
Na mana so ni mu a.
Na we na
ayemia na my ka de wo pekire me
we dey na waye
e dey go bi ka
ba ye ketu a bi a wo ye menua ba wo pre na to Obronii na so na
na ye yanti bi dani we e bi dey che say
e na we no so enye say bi a ye nkase ye no nkasa mu ye no kasa ye bibia e fia na say
tama ye bia bi o dey tama ye pen ye pa ye be
fro no mo ba
o mfa wo pe e be fia ha wo dey asifia wo bo wo be wo tell am titie ma catch you. Yes, if you have you send them power, small,
said your Obronii now coming some.
What bought them so anymore? What bought them? Of our own was someone I make some down. There be offer some no dinner can one. And I make us a miss me come me bomb chidom. Me say more down on that. So for Nantia. Yes, it will be why a bit to us. So Nantia, Miss Match, Miss me quite the same. Miss me quite the same. Of any way, they say there's some Munsu because say the boy no. Okasebia no jina hodi no meditate to no. Minimum kwanya we so me den be fa so. Make shida na chikura we. Broni ni kura so opri tu ma to opri. We she dem no opia ba no de no anya wo. Ye de chine be funu na na ye fes. Wasum abri wa be to de. Eyo wasem. Eyo wasem.
Girls, I am the same why sporting me and me back them up brandy we won. Me them in sabon kune kasa. Che, me can't say much. So when Jamie ni broni na chidi ahu. E di be ye kokoti na ne ka. Mumusani said, "Dear be ade no pena me fama no nja ye chi."
She said, "What do you want?" Na ye fama.
Sister, da bro mu chichi. What? Chichi, e wo bro na wo kan no. Chichi nko a. Me papa me broni mira. Na me fa broni ni ma. E na wo do nsabonkum na ne me kasa. Wo
I think Opoku from day one, broni ni nyomo ye bia me ma wani hu. Sika me ma ubi. They go restaurant and me fa won ko. Baby e ko bia me fa won ko.
And this
time around.
Broni why broni? Aye me.
Fine. And na musu na me hu broni.
Good.
That was primary. Now you was secondary, you got tertiary. And to me ndi me chini me ko tertiary.
Now you will talk about tertiary, right?
Yeah, we are talking about tertiary, of course.
Okay.
And to me person say dey na wo hia.
What do you want?
Sister, oh, bro, for no chichi, wo.
I don't care.
I don't care about that one.
I so as soon as I Supreme 7 wo ni so no what broni na me broni o fa ne se wo nua be maneme ena makofa broni di aprew ye nyina ya ye abusua enne mo pese mo ye niema bi wo ka chem se me nka ka ma bo broni ne ho na wo tua meka.
Yes, of course I have a lot of money.
Tofia na kube tofia mo de ma by broni ni di ye de mo de ama no.
It's my skills in the bedroom.
But
and my character.
Said you broni na nka me nsam no. Nka mo nsam.
I beg you someone just
back to the sender.
Back to the sender.
Back to the sender.
Back to the sender.
Let's make you tell him say what he wants. Make I give him now. Make you come up from my side. Waiting.
You know what?
Waiting.
Now you waiting.
Why?
What tata girl let's have a chill
me say can we dey na open. Okay. E dey ade na open na we dey yen fama. O pesi ka dey na open. And I dey kan ko na wa bo ne ho na yen fama. Na fe dey like ontimi nye okay no ndi no. Yes, because say we dey handcuff us again. You could didn't say.
Prema aduma na o che ho say dey ase o to office ho prema aduma. Yan ma prema for ma abako.
Abaheko.
Yes, my papa, yes, your pencil, was so my friend. The have been
when you want to say, oh, my man, into a relationship, fire born you. Bombo class, you be BBC. I beg what you want, then I'll pay. Make I give you a sound by interrogate me, Chinchama, Nema, Chale. You go to cemetery. You be your concern, but me need the work arm. He be your client, but me do the work.
Let me talk, baby girl. Master, mommy can't say me no one call us some year. So see, I know the clients number na wie. One the clients near deal. How they saying? Johnny life money none here. What do you want? Okay, fine. Why you be a man? Onipa de wants to foot up on pese be as obegu ani man say na say be say the one year she amount. Then now we want to spend money on you.
Me shake on your own fat. Why?
Ubo mi dey na me because me ba wanim say dey na wo pay.
Na we say dey profit. Any ma won ne ye na ya no ogina wonim hu bia na.
Enkojina ba bi nya one shot.
Ja dey okay kan na dey wo ye no kra me hu bi da. Wo dey nipa na ma na we. Ene say nya wo fa hanga wo si hanga. E dia de na pay. Sika na wo pay. Kan ye fa ma.
Oh, what me busa me say enra na me ni broni ni da ya. Damn.
Che. Sister, I don't know what kasasa. Hey, sapon upro upro papa pika pa.
You can't fall sign one why you kasa. Hey. Like papa na watch who. Ebe to me lem wa come boni se gie.
Sister.
Me boni se.
Me who betimi abom ni se gie.
Me, who ni me?
Sure.
I swear to God, you don't know me.
Sister, ka upre man sem nyina ka be yira.
Wa.
Ka back in the days, premier bia wadi bia. Hey, say the mama moa pa, enipa benya moa na che o.
My friend.
Enipa benya moa pa se, obi bua obi no. Ebe che.
Na obua obi so so ya na wadi. Obua obi ya na give.
Mo kura say mama like and then no. Yes, say me person obi kura be papa. Because now I'm Opoku make I tell you something. You no go fit do anything. You no go fit do anything to me. So far as the name is Abnabokia, you no go fit lay me down.
I don't go feel you anything.
I claim my stuff. I claim my Opoku.
I don't go feel you.
Make you not venture. I beg.
I don't go feel you.
Onasi Polo Polo.
I'm not say Polo and Papa.
Mariam.
Wo pressure cartoon as a toy stream. Minimum you tunde. Wo pressure tunde. What the why I say toy stream? What
if you no respect yourself?
And I say why you class you oh bro from chichi wo what it? Me share my country. Why?
Want to share.
I don't want more.
Obi a we am mo na we
why you say some here? They don't say be na so dey good to.
Yeah.
Next time when you the papa no we see nyansa na dia ko fi what.
Na
uni aba bia o.
Mistake in the nyina free. Why? Me Jimmy pa. Mimi. Sister. Sa uni dey go ati no. Me twitwa so say na cheche o say deadlock. Ati. Yamankweti na fe ni mate ase. Anya mo na mo ye bibi o. Hey! Ibi ase. Sister mo nya wi o, ebi ase ne nipa. Obi ba bua obi pa, e twam.
Dali, The movie that we were watching yesterday, I don't know because it was too disgusting. It was very scary, like.
Yeah, it was pretty scary. These look good.
Very well.
Yeah, let me try one. Yeah, it was pretty scary. And I don't really go for the scary movies as much, but I thought you might enjoy it. Sorry about that. We'll pick something.
No, you brought the idea that we should go to Netflix and watch that kind of movie.
Yeah,
I don't want to do that with you.
Yeah, well, that's the way it is. But
yeah, this African banana, that is nice.
Very nice, very nice. I'll tell you what else is nice. I see your earrings. They look very beautiful.
Oh, that's a pure gold.
Wow, how long have you had them?
6 years.
Okay, yeah. So you say pure gold, huh? Yeah, I see some red, like maybe some rubies also.
It's customized.
Yeah,
like gold with diamond, the red diamond.
But this gold, is it
pure gold?
Is it Ghanaian gold?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Because I understand that Ghana has a very large gold reserve. You know, I mean, you hear on the news all the time about Galamsey and that kind of thing, where they're mining a lot of gold. So yeah,
we have gold sites like Obuasi, Manso, Tapa. I mean, they are not even discovering a lot of places.
You mean Ghanaians have that, or your uncle has?
No. That's Ghana in general.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Ghana in general. Excuse me.
But so your uncle is in the gold business?
Yeah, I had this from my uncle.
Really?
We have a lot of gold in our house, but it's been hidden.
Yeah, yeah, that's smart. That's smart. So tell me more. I mean, how long has your family been in the mining business?
Okay, I had a story from my uncle when I was like 13 years, and he said, yeah, so we have a lot of gold in our house, and my uncle told me, if we are supposed to use it, we have to do it in a traditional way. Like, I don't want to use some word that I will tell you later.
But it seems like that gold could be put to some very profitable use. I mean, not just having it sitting around for traditional purposes, you know, it can make a lot of money.
Yeah, that's what I said. It can't be easily be used. Yeah, you have to do it in a traditional way.
Yeah.
So this is something, I got it when I was 13 years as my birthday gift from my uncle.
Okay. So where is he located? I mean,
I told you earlier on, the gold is with my uncle, but it's my bro who has access to it.
oh, okay. Your brother.
That one in the house.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
He has access to it.
Yeah,
Without him, nobody can, have access to go touch the gold or whatever.
Oh, I understand. So, is your brother? Does he want to keep it for traditional use only, or is he more open to?
Actually, I don't know. I don't know the essence of why they are keeping the gold or something else.
Well, yeah. Well, the reason I ask is, with access to that, I could make some serious strides in getting you a visa and getting you to America.
Is it? With the gold?
Absolutely. I mean, having that would open some doors that otherwise, because it's not so easy to get visas, as you know.
No, I don't have access to it. He has the major hands of gold.
Right. So I'm just saying,
Yes.
he might want to do that for us, do that for you. I mean, he might be open to that idea.
I have to go and talk to him first.
Sure.
Like, I'll tell him there's a good news.
Yeah. I mean, for your whole family.
The whole
I
family.
mean, gold talks, money talks. So
I know, right?
with access to that,
I
I could do a lot for your family.
I'll go and
I could
talk
a lot
to
for
him.
you and a lot for your family.
I know, right? So I'll go and talk to him this evening that there is a good news.
Okay.
You want us to bring the bill so that you can do the traveling process
Yeah.
for us. And
Yes,
I think
exactly.
it's the easiest way to get the visa or what.
Absolutely. Well, you know how things work. I mean, you grease the right palms and you get stuff done,
I really know you want me to be with you.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
baby.
So don't worry.
Absolutely.
I'll try and convince him, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy your banana, eh?
I'm enjoying you more.
Yeah, you enjoy me more. Okay. You are very naughty. I understand what you're saying. So what's happening this evening?
Well, I thought maybe we could go out for a drink up or something,
Yes, today is Thursday. It's a karaoke night.
Hey.
I can't wait to take the mic and sing to you and
Oh,
swing
baby.
and hug you.
Hey.
Peace all in this one.
And I say, according to me, should be real family, the way good to him. You may be some say, can go plans, and maybe when I'm due to listen. Tia, you did quite no whom my son, I didn't say, my dear. I'm seeing off a binnet, and I'm so off as a I'm seeing a few good baby. No, sir, I'm see I will go wrong, but me power to me go more than way, make the land over to you, sir. Or to all man or class, and you are quite so no, because of the open is a good in your back, and that's all we go now, with the good in your mind. It be easy, your first assembly, your plane tickets, your be easy. I feel so cold, or be inside at one pool. I'll be to me, I correct.
As you see, I could come good, no demand is here now, or the Ebusuani in Abeco.
Opportunity comes at once, so
One hour in a casa, maybe minim the airport, oh, Mummy Mountain. Una said, what's in a casa, and I watch the evil. She may perceive the Amaquatam good in the Amano Sissi. Now, one you be beyond for good, no dear. And young Namaquaye and Mammy and Money Ewaswa will be intimate fun in some so good to him. To make what someone not to beat me, they will swing now for their problem the annual. And if they made time made the man, then you obey any dear, any mature.
sister, me the young so go the neighbor or the now what for someone who can walk with Siboni and what fraud you be that.
Oh,
we can't why you guys saw the Nipa.
Maybe I say, go do no. A man earlier, a man near be a woman be a meme quack, ye, matam, Eddie a mano. Semitam mano, not the Mesomation channel, or Bema may sack a dear problem. Son Americano,
what did you want to do? No one can't show be us obey for one and answer the wind show be us on. Oh, no, they cry because sister, yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. And so for good years, she good at see what there 20 something years. and I want to need one association.
Mammy Castle. Sesana, it's a good against you. Ona na ya pay mo beto so. Fred mo beto so, Isaac mo beto so, kwa pay amo e beto gold ni so de susi wo. E no na kwa mu ichi. E no mo de examine na me so me hwe so. E ti se me ba ye na me mama ni be ye me han na me kotam gold ni koton ya. Na fie na abo. Ti me de catch them no, e na me so me di so.
When so de be bo obia. Gold in the time aso. The time aso so o pay you. And the time
Ona wo kire won kwala adwene.
Ofa. Na Broni ono na ebie nanum akwanya na kwa request you. Ono na ebie nanum aka se mi pese bi du tu kwan e de wo busuafo nyina na opportunity we aba pese e mesi. Se Ghana ha yet ya pede ade ne ye. E de ade ne ye.
What can problem be any ho? Na me ka se ai brofo.
Me sure se e be na obena me.
Brofo ka o ma se o se no na ate ne ka se. Na me nte ne ka sa. O tene ko na tene ka o tene kasa it is sana o kan me ni problem ni na ne say yo no wa kana o so dia ba betu ya ni no find that ho me mitime ya ne say ne city bia e bia ma ni nyina ne say yo so obabu abusu no pure
of a problem dey here ne say o betu wa no na reka na timpoku ba ha on kan chen say na Broni
na no
o betime mama
no kwa de me season ni fia ha me hia ni fia e biem Mona ba me si mi hia no onye ni papa
so nya de na yesu
mi hia ni fia ha
mi sha na what na kasa na
pene ni ma hwe o fia
afa we pra de nkasa me onu mu oni emoja mfa na yakofa na bet na fia na so go ba be ma no be rere no die ye no kra bi
onye ye no monton ye no mo abusua bia na fe na efe na wo ba fi ha ye so 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 abusua me dey me see me pene ni ma hwe
adiane ti no so roba me say me dey adiane no eja Broni aka ma ye di KFC ni
restaurant ni ani ni nko a
nti oba wonya bi
uchi ana bonti aka kire no
na me shia na me nkasa ni
ko me fa de o pen na ni hwekura wo fia ye me ka no no say ekwan da ho de a problem bi ani
and I'm sick of seeing you
mate ono dey say da ho
obeya pa
asisa ya kwa won tell me we
kwa bonti ama
we do e dey won show ha wa share really asha ya kwa won share really
why ye time nti why ye time
dey just dey obo won nyansani a e na obi nim kan na asem ye wo okumase a ni abo de tere o wa ade wo dey with your brains ti wo Broni won na ro dey na se be ya show okumase a
He's all on his one.